Okay, so finally signed in. Just having a quick look around. So Apple Intelligence. Cool. Continue. View, no conversations, format, help. Store. But yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, let me know. And I'll definitely let you know how the experience has been. I wonder if I click that. There, it's logged out. And then if I use Touch ID, boom, in. So one click, close.